What's up, YouTube? Today we're going to be dropping this piece of shit rust bucket into this piece of shit soon-to-be rust bucket.
Wait, why is this a rust bucket?
It's got rust right there. And right there.
And,
yeah,
you're right. Never mind. Sorry.
Bucket. And it doesn't have oil in it. Never ran oil. We actually don't run oil around here because...
we don't?
No.
Okay.
Yeah. See, no oil.
No oil. Hear that, guys?
Yeah, no oil.
Green for the environment.
Okay, so we're just kind of mocking it up in there for now. I get my mounts in tomorrow, but we're gonna go ahead and test fit it because I think we're gonna go ahead and be. That shit's bending.
It'll be fine.
Oh, jeez.
Yeah, she'll be fine. I don't know what that is or what.
She got bent.
Yeah, she did bend.
Who's been lost, man? No sense of direction. Please don't sleep. So much losers.
So like I was saying, we're gonna go ahead and test fit it in there, see if the exhaust can possibly be something that exists, and go from there.
Smash MCs into fragments. I grind get my just desserts for all the kids I must have hurt. I trust the courtesy when dealing with folks is too much for the asking. Cool, I got the skill crafted tools. Massive fools at my workbench. I'm wrenching mics from they grasping. That's how it has been. The drill's this. I kill swift. I feels I better slay ya. Hey, my tape measures greater. So now I'm axing if they saw me and they was available, would they want me to nail them or be through screwdriver? Crazy, maybe nothing bold live leak. Put on your high.
We got some spacers in this Johnson. See that?
That's OEM plus.
That's OEM plus right there. This is FYA spec.
Oh,
spacers.
yeah. That's what we're talking about, bud.
Tommy FBI don't want.
Tommy,
that.
Tommy F this fucking alternator, apparently.
As you can tell, there's zinc. Clearly.
There's zinc. Do you even zinc, bro? Unplug this Johnson.
Put on your high beam. I proliferate a quicker face and niggas vigorous. Bigger right kicks, gun sights, punch twice that nigga that this nifty. Detaching a batch, latching to match my cataclysm. I give him a schism. I stroke the croak. I broke him. Choking him by my syntax as I've been backed by impact. Then I give a concussion and you're nuts when I'm busting. Heads, dead with my lead graphite lofty. I swing off beat off these cerebellum swelling membranes.
Guys, this is my first time with a full camera crew here.
Dedicated cameraman.
I literally just
All I
bought
do.
this camera crew.
I just purchased one camera crew.
Filming on our DSLR.
Brains couldn't parallel this. I'm carouseling kids, rollicking, swallowing hollow dips. Yeah, you're following slipping. I'm ripping mics nice twice, like dicing kids in fractions. Yeah, bigger right tax.
Step in a casual. That's when you're what about domino? That's when you're you step to Snoop. That's when you're step in a A+. If you play with Tajay, man, step in an Opio. That's when you're step in a Festo. That's when you're fuck with terrain. That's when you're
Yo, I'm willing to bet you're willing to sweat.
Yeah.
But anyone will get you bruised like you and I step through crews and abuse 2s and 3s. Who's the G's that hoes know? Me and Hyro, I know, I'm fly, bro. So why flow if you're not invigorated? I know where you live, they're at your crib, I got niggas waiting. I figure raping is a crime, see? I take my time, beat, and now your G is my G.
I have no idea how this is supposed to go.
I like that.
Yep.
I like that. That fit like.
Okay.
Here.
That fit really good.
That fit like way better.
Hold on. There's a 3/4 of an inch dick height difference.
Well, fucking this was really unproductive. Me?
Yeah, it just
I wonder
worked.
how we need to notch the header. The header?
You have still like another inch of clearance there too.
Yeah, I mean, I think the motor, you have to look at the axle line.
Motor definitely needs to go back a little
It
bit.
goes back a bit, but I mean, if you look at the axle line, like it's pretty straight here.
We also need to tilt the motor, which is going to give you more clearance because it's going to bring it in on the bottom. It's going to bring the header in.
Yeah.
The header's here. And then So there's my 3-inch exhaust. So we really just need to make a fucking piece that adapts to that flange, and it's just gonna bolt right up. Okay, so we got it in here kind of. It's just kind of sitting there. I was just trying to see what it looks like, but as I've been showing, we got pretty good gap there on the header. I might trim just a little bit off the subframe just to amplify the clearance, but I think it's pretty good. So I guess we'll start working on the flanges and shit for the exhaust. And I don't know, we'll pull this shitter out. Fucking looks like really ugly. This is a terribly ugly motor. Okay, alright. Okay, so we're doing bad shit here, alright? We're gonna cut the bumper because we gotta fit a muffler in there and I can't have anything. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I really don't like doing this kind of stuff. Measures. I'm gonna just cut. Oh, like a hot knife through butter, baby. Gotta hit it with the George Ames. Get fucking canceled.
Yeah, breathe in a lot of it.
Fuck, that wouldn't be too bad right there.
You know what I mean?
There's nothing to see. It is quite literally 40 degrees in here. There was no cock in there. No cock. No balls. Big anal cavity. Dang, he ain't even filming this cake right now.
He's not even filming my cake right now.
Where the fuck this nigga go? Oh. What are you doing?
Showing them what we're working with for weight reduction.
Oh, yeah. I think it got rear-ended at some point. Actually, I don't know.
She's got the.
I don't know how this comes off. I wanted to take this off, but it like doesn't bolt on.
That thing's probably your answer right there.
This thing?
Yeah, that'll probably do the thing.
All right, Colin, you want to come help me? So we did a little cutting on the bumper, and now it's just gotta get finished up, but it looks pretty good. So what these fine gentlemen were saying, Jake, you want to show them what the idea is? He's saying to make a little fucking Jimmy John here for it. Something like that.
And then a 90 out this side, out the bump.
Here. So they want to flush mount the bumper in the back somehow. I'm still not too sure how it's gonna work, but I guess we're just gonna make it somehow. So yeah, we'll see how that goes.
West Coast smash kids, yeah, I rhyme as well, so the hell with a whack this.